Right, next video. You can display something to the screen at this stage. You can display it all on the same line. You can display it on new lines. Console.WriteLine is something we're going to use throughout all our programs. By the end of this, you should be quite good at it. So I'm just going to get rid of all of this for the time being. I'm not going to use it. And what I'm going to do is create a variable. And what I'm going to do is create a variable called myName. I'm going to set it to be my name, which is that. A variable is just a way to store something. Now in this case I'm storing my name on the computer, and I'm going to be able to refer to it by the name I've given this variable, which is my name. In VB, when you create a variable, you have to use this special word dim beforehand. You always have to use dim. So dim just tells the computer that you want to create a small storage space on the computer. That storage space is going to have the name of my name. I'm going to move something now. I'm going to have the name my name, and it's going to store, that's what the equals says, it's going to store the name Andy. So what this, if I run this, if I were to run this, I wouldn't see anything happening. But what would happen is this piece of text would be stored in the memory of the computer while the program's running. Only while the program's running. It's not a permanent thing. It'll only be until we finish the program, which in this case won't be very long because it's not a very long program. So I've created a variable, but what I can do with that, for example, if I go back to doing WriteLine, I can say hello, and what I want to do is to display the content of that variable. And the way to do this is to put a curly bracket in with a 0, another curly bracket, and then I'm going to close. So this is what I want to display. So just as I was doing before, within quotes I say the words I want, hello. Now here what I want to do is not display the same text every time. I want to display the contents of a variable, and to do that I put that curly bracket, 0, curly bracket, and then I end the quote. Then the next thing I need to do is to say what the contents of which variable is going to go into this text. So I do a comma and then say my name. And let me run it, demonstrate it, and then I'll explain what's happening. So I run this and it says hello Andy. Now, the way that this is working is it's storing the name Andy in the variable my name. I'm then writing, I'm moving to the next line, right line, the word hello followed by a space, and then this creates a gap in this piece of text. So this tells the computer that I want to display the contents of a variable, and the contents of the variable will go in this space. So this bracket, 0 bracket, will be replaced by the contents of a variable. Which variable? That comes afterwards, comma, my name. So the contents of my name will be put into this space, and then it will display that sentence. And that's exactly what it does. It displays hello Andy. Have a go. Put your name rather than my name. See if you can get it to work. There's very simple use of a variable.